Warm greetings from Karnal University. In this video, I am going to demonstrate the software tool that we have developed with the funding from ICMR. The title of the product is Effective Patient-Friendly IT-Enabled Tool for Selection of Desired Healthcare Services. We wish to thank Indian Council of Medical Research for funding this technology. Why this product? What is the relevance in today's context? During health crisis, as there are many hospitals, more often the patients from middle or low class is confused in selecting the hospitals and specialist doctors for their treatment, as they are not sure of the availability of the specialist doctors, hospital facilities, experience of the doctors, success ratio, cost involved, etc. Therefore, a software has been developed to assess the patients and the family of the patients to effectively identify and select the healthcare services based on user requirements and needs. The user requirements and patient preferences may vary based on socio-economic background. Some would prefer government hospitals for cheaper treatment, some would prefer private clinics, some would prefer multi-specialty hospitals with experienced doctors, excellent facilities, and with excellent continuity of care after treatment. This tool serves as an excellent platform to connect patients, users with hospitals based on patients' user requirements, needs, and priorities. In fact, this tool empowers a common man to quickly identify the nearest available affordable hospital based on his requirement anywhere, anytime, to check the facilities available in any hospital, to check the availability of the specialist and fix appointment. Now I am going to demonstrate how a patient can use this tool and be benefited. As part of our ICMR funding, we have collected the details of government hospitals, private clinics, multi-speciality hospitals from districts of Coimbatore. Therefore, it can be used for patients and users from Coimbatore, and it can be extended nationwide if we can integrate the hospital details across the nation. Scenario 1. Let us assume that a person belonging to a socio-economic weaker section and has travelled to Coimbatore on account of job. Suddenly he developed high fever, body pain, cough and cold for the past 3 days, and he wants to go to hospital. Let me demonstrate how he can get assistance from this tool to quickly identify the hospital based on his choice. The tool first collects his preferences. Let's assume he prefers general physician from a group of specialists, government hospital from a set of group of hospital choices, fetches his location as Coimbatore, desired date and time for consultation as today before 8 pm, prefers to wait greater than an hour, feels the hospital should have good clinical lab facilities so that he need not want to travel to test his blood. Let us also assume that he is least concerned about other infrastructure facilities, confidentiality, continuity of care, experience of the doctors, but he would like the cost of the treatment to be cheaper and affordable. And now, choosing his preferences, he has to provide his priorities. Let's assume that his priority 1 is cost, then date and time, then hospital, then doctor. And now our tool ranks the hospital based on his requirements, and he can now select the hospitals. The tool also assists him in fixing an appointment and to provide his feedback on demand. Scenario 2. I and my friend are on a visit to Coimbatore for a conference. On the way to conference venue, My friend met with a small accident and requires immediate medical assistance. Let me demonstrate how he can get assistance from this tool to quickly identify the hospital based on his choice. The tool allows for opting the default setting. The type of healthcare provider is going to be any kind of hospitals. As I am in an emergency scenario, I skip all the preferences. I skip also the priorities. Now our tool provides the nearest available hospital for the treatment. Scenario 3. Let's assume that I have a severe toothache and require to meet a dentist today. Let me demonstrate how I can get assistance from this tool to quickly identify the hospital based on my choice and make online appointment. The type of specialist I would be requiring is dentist, and I would like to go to a private clinic, and I am from Coimbatore, and the desired time is today after 8 a.m. and the waiting time for the treatment is less than 30 minutes. The level of hospital capability should be an excellent infrastructure, not concerned about the confidentiality, and I like to have good continuity of care after the treatment. I may also be requiring good clinical labs, X-ray scans for my teeth, pharmacies to get medicines. I would prefer experienced doctors greater than 6 years so that they treat my tooth very well. Preferred a specialized care with good level of success rate. I prefer dental charges to be very nominal. I am choosing my life insurance company so that I can claim my insurances. My priorities are doctors first, followed by date and time, then hospital third, and cost is fourth. And now our tool ranks the hospital based on my requirements, and I can now select the hospital. The tool also assists me in fixing an appointment and provide my feedback. Let's try to make an appointment with this first dentist. Let's try fixing appointment with the chosen doctor. Online appointment is not enabled for this particular doctor. Now going back to the ranking list. Let's try with the second best doctor. I could see the available slots of appointments. Let me book it by 5:15. The appointment has been successfully placed on 15/1/17 between 5:15 p.m. and 5:30 p.m. Thus, an user could successfully place an appointment in this tool. This tool is patient friendly, and patient saves time, money, and can make accurate decision in choosing the hospital even during medical crisis. The tool also provides wonderful opportunity for registered user to provide their valuable feedbacks, fix appointments, and personalize the tool. We wish to thank Indian Council of Medical Research for providing this valuable opportunity. Thank you.